Hey there Candy Crush lover, is your game acting all laggy, freezing mid-crush or straight up crashing like a sugar rush gone wrong? Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache of Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, exit the game and head over to the phone setting. Once you are inside the setting, now scroll down to the app or app manager. Names might be different depending on your mobile device. Now scroll until you find Candy Crush Saga. Once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on storage and you will see two options, clear data and clear cache. Warning, don't touch the clear data unless you want to lose all your progress. Just tap clear cache and boom, your game's memories get a nice sugar scrub. Clearing cache helps fix bugs, reduce lag and free up space without deleting your game or progress. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can clear cache of Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.